Namaskar, everybody. Welcome back to InfoSundar YouTube channel. Here we got wonderful opportunity for government company that is called, under autonomous body under the Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, which is located in Hyderabad. Here you got the wonderful 80 plus vacancies in this particular organization. So we can see that in vacancies in this by seeing website in incois incois.gov.in. From this website, you will get all the details and you will get the advertisement notification here. So I'll share the complete notification in with this. So here in this video, you will get all the details here. Applications are invited from eligible Indian national for preparation of panel of names for engagement on contract basis against the following temporary positions for 1 year upon approval of project proposal for 21-26 by Government of India. So here you can see that here the vacancies, project scientist 3 level, 7 unreserved vacancies are there, and project scientist 2, 15 vacancies, whereas project scientist 1 unreserved 18 vacancies, SC category 6, ST category 3, OBC 10, altogether 40 vacancies are there. And here also the age limit is 35 for this project scientist, and project scientist 2 40 years age group, and project scientist number 3 45 years age group. And next position is that project scientist assistant 2, 4 vacancies with 35 years age. One is OBC reserved and 4 open category. And project scientist scientific assistant 1, 8 vacancies for unreserved category, open category, and SC category 2, ST category 1, OBC 3, and EWS vacancies are also there, 1. Whereas project scientist also EWS 3 vacancies are there. And for this project scientist assistant 1, 28 age group compulsory required. And so let us see that in depth of this particular information, what is that salary criteria and all. And for this post code 1, project scientist 3, 78,000 plus HRA, age limit 45, age limit is 45, 6 vacancies, 78,000. And what is that essential educational qualification you need? And master degree in ocean sciences or atomic sciences or climate sciences or zoology, fisheries, marine sciences, marine biology, and meteorology, oceanography, physical oceanography, and also otherwise master degree in physics, master degree in mathematics, or master degree in engineering or technology in mechanical, or bachelor degree in engineering or technology in. So there are all qualifications mentioned: mechanical, bachelor degree from mechanical from recognized university or institution with at least 60 years of 60% of marks in the qualifying degree or equivalent degree, and also 7 years of experience in one or more of the following areas: ocean observations, remote sensing, ship-based laboratory analysis, processing of high-resolution ocean atmospheric data, including bio-optical, physico-chemical, and fisheries data, process studies, etc. In the same way, ocean atmospheric modeling, model parameterization, data assimilation, including ocean circulation. This kind of experience is preference, and a desirable qualification also mentioned: PhD in physical oceanography or marine sciences, or atmospheric sciences, otherwise fishery sciences. That is preference given. What are the responsibilities here? The responsibilities also mentioned here. What are the duties they need to perform? And the second position, project scientist 3, one vacancy, number of post, age group is about 40 years, 45 years, salary 78,000 plus HRA. And of course, here also the same degrees they have mentioned, and experience also they have mentioned, and preference will be given to PhD holders in computer science or information technology. And the third position here, seen project scientist 2, 40 years age for 67,000 rupees plus HRA. And here desirable qualification, PhD in science, communication, physical oceanography, marine science, meteorology, atmospheric sciences. And for the fourth position, 67,000 salary, and of course, same qualifications. But here PhD in computer science or information technology. So these are all up to 4 positions. And the fourth post code number 5, project scientist 2, 10 vacancies, 40 years, and also 67,000 salary. And here also PhD in physical oceanography, they are mentioned as earlier. So you can see that, another position, project scientist 1, 10 vacancies, 56,000 plus HRA. And here also PhD in computer science or information technology or electronics and communication. So these are all about this, post code number 7 also will be say 56,000. And the qualifications also mentioned here clearly. And post code 8 also with the 50,000 salary, age group 35, and BSc degree in computer science, physics, mathematics, statistics, biology, zoology, fisheries, chemistry, and all. And even our BA, BCA also. Basic knowledge of computer is enough. And 5 years experience in different categories that they are mentioned here. And another thing, post number 9, 39,000, 28 years age group. And here BSc degree in computers, physics, maths, stats, biology, zoology, fisheries, chemistry, electronics, or else BCA. So these are all mentioned here in this. And what is the deadline to submit application online is September 22nd. The last date is the cutoff date for all the purpose, including age, qualification, and experience. Age relaxation in SC, ST, OBC, and as per the government norms, they will follow age relaxation. So these are all the things. I'll give you the website link in the description box that you can select. And what is the mode of selection process? And for 1, 2, 3 positions through written test followed by interview or interview. And for the position of 4 and 5 through written test only. For the position of 4 and 5 only written test, no interview will be there. And application procedure and all through online by browsing internet, https://inquise.gov.in. So candidates are not required to send any hard copy. No hard copy is required. Just online filling the application is enough. And these are all the details and online application form details, recruitment of the post available at this with this link. You can click on this link, you will get all the details here. Otherwise, if you have any queries, vacancies at inquise.gov.in, you will get your doubts clarification. And these are all, that's it about, these are all the details about Inquise scientist, project scientist vacancies. Try to apply for these vacancies and secure government job and make your life beautiful. Keep watching my channel, InfoSundar YouTube channel. Keep sharing to everybody. Thank you once again.